Carol is here. Carol is filming. Whoops, I should show this. There we go. I don't care. I don't like Twizzlers. They're pure sugar. They're bad.
You know, Steve said the first thing I was up is, you guys should have get some beef jerky or something to leave in the car in case you get sprayed.
It doesn't matter. There's no log trucks up here.
Carol, you know, is your hand guiding you somewhere?
Yes, I'm showing the charging bridge to the furnace. I can't get a good picture of that. Oh well. That's some apparatus they had. I think that might have been a hot blast. That might have had something to do with it. Danger. Ha! They're eating the last food that we have. And this is it.
I didn't touch a bit of it. Honest to God. I got gum.
And then here's the machinery. And if I walk closer, you can see parts of the machinery, some sort of gears, and then some sort of machinery, and then the river, and then down here somebody's doing something with wood. I don't know what.
Beautifully cut wall.
And this is a beautifully cut wall. And I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to take another movie where the old furnace is. Pathway back to the furnace. The machinery and equipment from the other side. Chris Miller. Black fly. And then here's the old furnace.
What's this dead woman doing?
Oh, there's a dead woman. And then there's a dead... Well, that's what happens when she doesn't have any coffee. And somebody's put something up on top of the machinery, on top of the furnace, in order to protect it. Yeah, somebody's been doing some work here. And that's Ann Johnson, who is a state botanist.
No, an estate botanist or a state botanist?
A state botanist at work.
An escape botanist. I'm not a state botanist, I'm just a botanist.
She's just a botanist.
She's an escape botanist. I could be an escape.
And here's some machinery.
What do you think it is? Can I find the only burdock? Where did burdock come from? How could that be? What is this? I don't know.
And some bricks.
Wow. It looks like a...
Somebody's doing some preservation work. Oh, there must be something under that. Oh, I see, it's bricks. And now, since I happen to have a memory card, oh, by the way, there's like, you know, this area back there, and that's the top. But since we happen to be here, and I happen to have a camera, and I happen to have a memory card, and I happen to have sufficient battery, we may as well go in and see what it looks like on the inside. I don't know the year of this. I think it's pre-1900. Inside. This would be where the iron and slag came out. Through separate holes. Now if there's a bear in here, I'll be very upset because I don't like bears. Okay, what's in here? Oh, no bears. There's holes. That must be like a, well, it's obviously a tube. An iron pipe coming out. I don't know. Here's another pipe. We're inside the Bosch. Insides of iron furnaces are pretty beautiful. There aren't too many left. Fortunately, this one's way up in the Adirondacks and you probably can't find it. Which is why it's still here. the inside, it curves out, and then it curves back in again. And they would have dumped in the iron ore and the probably coal from the top, charcoal at an earlier time, and limestone, and it would have burned until the iron melted out of the rocks. And this is probably a lot of slag along the side of the blotch here that's glimmering, melted on. Inside brick, outside stone, and then this is pretty much solid slag on the wall here. And then out here, maybe this is the tuyere that would send in the hot air. This may have been hot air, since there seemed to be some sort of machinery down there. Maybe they used anthracite coal. Where would they have gotten it?